Good morning guys. So today sobrang busy namin. Tingnan niyo itong lagi na lang busy ang school basta bakasyon. Yung tipong parang barko na ida-dry dock. Kami naman ay naghahakot ng mga books dahil dumating na yung mga books ng primary. Dalawa lang kami naghahakot. Ang dami. Tapos pending pa yung pagpipintura namin sa mga classroom dahil sa books kailangan naming mahatid na sa isang classroom at ma-distribute bago dumating yung mga teachers. Sila na hati-hati noon. Tapos ito, banat ulit. So para ka na rin nagwo-workout sa paghahakot ng mga box ng mga books. Grabing may kabigatan din, mga 10 to 15 kilo. Kaya banat.
Let's go. Time to grind, get inside your mind. Yeah, we working overtime. That's the only way to climb. We gon' make it in our prime, signing on the dotted line, cashing checks left and right. That's the way I'm living life. I feel alive when I got a goal in sight. Chip away, I gotta fight. Ain't nobody else in sight. Man, I think I see the light. Yeah, that shit is so bright. Follow me, I got the guide. See you on the other side, son. Ain't nobody know what I've been through. Ain't nobody know what I can do. I'm ready to go into battle. I'll put on a show, razzle dazzle. I'm about to take off. Never gonna stop till I'm